What would you like for me to do?
Hold this, because my head is itchy.
Your head is itching.
My head is itchy.
Oh. Reagan, what are you doing?
Now can I hold it?
Ryan, what are you doing?
Blowing bubbles.
Ryan, do you like dressing like your sister?
Yes.
Do you feel like it's cute?
Yes.
What is Reagan doing, Ryan?
I think she's going to eat the bubbles that's blowing it.
You think she's going to eat it?
Yes.
Is that good?
No, it's not food.
It's not what?
It's not food.
So what's she supposed to do with it?
Blow it.
Well, I don't know why she can't figure that out.
I do it, Mommy.
Huh?
I do it.
Yeah, well, you don't want me to help you, so I'm not going to.
Mommy.
Yeah.
I use that one for do it.
I'll try. But it's still bubbles in that one.
I know. Mommy.
Yes.
The bubble come out.
You what?
I'm making sure the bubble come out.
Oh, okay.
I need the plastic and this.
You need to what?
I need the plastic and this. The bubble. Mommy.
What y'all doing over there?
The bubbles let the...
Take your time. Take your time.
Can we let the bubbles, let the flowers get some drink?
You want the bubbles to what?
Get some flowers for the drink?
Yeah, that makes no sense at all. You want to pour the bubbles on the flowers so the flowers can have something to drink?
Yes.
Oh, well, I think the flowers would prefer water.
I think they're thirsty. They're thirsty.
Oh, they are?
Yes. Can you open it?
Why don't you use yours?
I can use mine.
Reagan, what you doing? Yeah, I'm actually sweating, and I don't like to sweat, huh?
Me too.
You don't like to sweat either?
Mom, this here. What?
Okay, well, let's go. Let's go inside.
No.
Why? What's Daddy doing?
I died.
Huh?
I died.
Where's Daddy?
I know.
You don't know? Where's Ryan? Where's Ryan? Where's Mommy? Where's Reagan? You don't know where anybody is?
I'm feeling 11 little bubbles.
I am so hot.